So good evening. So this is the bus which is going to be our part for the safari. So I think they are going to provide some food to this tiger now.
Oh my god! Lily?
So this is, we are going inside the zoo now. I think this is of bird zoo. We have entered into Shimoga. This is Shimoga zoo and we are lucky that हम लोगों को 5:30 को हमको सफारी देखने का मौका मिला, जाने का मौका मिला. तो that is a very amazing thing, and we heard that we can able to watch some tiger, lion, though those are inside the cage, but we can able to see them, we can able to check them from the bus which is inside the cage. And now we are going inside the zoo, so just see and enjoy. So there are a lot of cages which are empty now. I think these all animals, either they are gone or maybe they have shifted or may died. So this is the bird area where they usually keep the birds. What is that?
Cub.
Yes.
Hey, cheetah.
So we have found one wild cat. This is a cat, wild cat. And this is the cage.
तो ऊपर है.
So this is the cage for peacock, but somehow these monkeys are coming from that tree.
नहीं चला.
So they have entered inside the cage and they are eating this peacock's food. This is porcupine.
Lalu kena. Lalu kena. Lalu kena.
So this is the cage for black swan.
उधर बतख से चलता है ना ना चलता है बतख से उधर चलता है बतख से चलता है देखो ना उधर अंदर खा जाता है
ঘরে পাঠাচ্ছে
ঘর যাচ্ছে
So full lush of greeneries here. This and these are all bamboo trees. It's looking very good actually, and the air is really fresh here, so looking very good, feeling very good, feeling refreshed. So this is for leopard.
ওইখানে লেপার্ড বসে আছে
We can able to
Black
see. Yes, there it is. महाराज ऊपर बैठे हैं. But this is the cage for black panther, no?
No, bottom it's there. See in the cage.
Oh, humongous. কি করলো? Oh, Black Panther is also here. But what happened to him? His skin. इसका जो स्किन है, स्किन का तो कुछ हुआ है. कुछ ना. So this is the cage for sloth bear, and you can see now it is not visible maybe from the cage properly, but महाराज ऊपर चढ़ के बैठे हैं छत के ऊपर. और एक मैंने देखा अभी कहाँ है, वो आ रहा है, देखिए वो और एक आ रहा है. So nice. The main thing is oh इतना पास से देखूंगा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. What a beauty. इसका टेल देखिए कितना बड़ा और शार्प टेल है. शायद उस केज में, केव के अंदर और कुछ है जो अंदर से बाहर नहीं आ रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन दिस लेपर्ड इज लिटिल बिट क्यूरियस. यूट्यूब आज अभी ऐसे 7, 5:30 हो चुका है. नहीं तो ऐसे ही आज 2 अक्टूबर है, इसलिए भीड़ थोड़ा कम है. So I am very much feeling lucky that we can able to spot all the animals together. So I will make a detailed video of this zoo so that you can able to see all the animals precisely and with proper time. So this is the golden jackal, Indian golden jackal. They are very much curious in nature, I know. They are very much curious in nature. But I think this fellow is alone. तो यहाँ पे दो मगरमच्छ ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं. आई हैव नॉट नोटिस फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. आई थॉट दीज आर स्टोन्स. बाद में सामने थोड़ा देख के मेरे वाइफ को पता चला कि यहाँ पे दो क्रोकोडाइल ऐसे लेटा हुआ है, सोया हुआ है, जो भी कर रहा है यहाँ पे. इतना बड़ा है, बाप रे. और वहाँ पे और एक है. बस शायद ये तीन ही है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So this is the cage for pythons. I can able to see one is here.
चलो.
One is here, one is here, and another one is sleeping there. So for feeding them, they have given this chicken, and even I have seen spotted one rabbit also. एक rabbit भी दिया है. वो बेचारा. So now we are way to the museum. What is written here I don't know. Information center and reception.
Museum is closed.
But both are closed. Even museum entrance also is closed. I think due to some heavy rainfall happened in last couple of weeks. Due to that. But as per my thinking that this is not even in any means it is less than a true safari, and I can able to tell you that we are alone in this safari, in this jungle, in this zoo, whatever you can say. So there are few more cages are available now to see, but I don't know. It is almost 6:10 p.m. So this is what?
Some sign. Community hall finder.
Okay. So now we are heading back from where we started. It is a small portion of the zoo only, it is open now. a very small portion of the zoo is opened now, and even in back of me there is a medical center. If so, this is the hospital for the animals who are in any case of some requirement, when there is a requirement of doctor. Inside this zoo only it is available, so they no need to shift to any other place. So even they kept a nursery here to grow some wild plants maybe, and the humidity is little bit on higher side because of this. It is surrounded with this lush green trees and all. So I think this is it. This is the end, and this zoo is completely maintained by Karnataka government. The entry fee for the zoo with your car is 150 rupees. So as you can see, this is the place, this is the cage for ostriches. So two of the world biggest bird, it is here in front of us. So this one is emu, this one is not ostrich, this is emu, and ostrich is this one. This is the ostrich. You can able to understand by seeing their both face, both are different. So my right hand side is one is ostrich and the left one is emu. So both are the biggest bird in the world. So for them they have at least given some big place, big cage to roam around. It is looking very good. So आज मैं एक भी सुबह से कुछ कर नहीं पाया because of the tight schedule. वो मैं आपको आगे जाके बताऊंगा कैसे क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, हम कितने बजे घर से निकले, कहाँ पे कितने बजे पहुँचे. सो ये मैं घर पे जाके बताऊंगा. So now we are winding up our this Shimoga Zoo trip. We have really enjoyed today's Gandhiji's birthday, and this is really a good experience. So there is a park also.
বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে, দেখে পাশে লোক সব বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছে।
So अभी जाके कहीं पे और अगर कुछ देखने के लिए मिलता है शिमोगा में, क्योंकि आज ही रात हमको फिर से आज ही रात हमको सिर्फ यहाँ पे रुकना है. कल सुबह फिर जोग फॉल्स के लिए निकलना है, कल सुबह फिर से निकल जाना है. सो विल सी कैसे क्या होता है प्लानिंग. तो आफ्टर रीचिंग द होटल विल मीट यू.